Downloading data from SHEIN can be useful for tracking your orders, managing your account, or keeping a record of your purchases. Follow these steps to download your data. Step 1. Log into your SHEIN account. Visit the SHEIN website or open the SHEIN app and log in using your account credentials. Ensure you have access to the account from which you want to download data. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon on name, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find Data Download option. Look for a section related to privacy or data management in your account settings. There should be an option for downloading your data or viewing your purchase history. Step 4. Request data download. Follow the prompts to request your data download. You may need to specify what type of data you want, such as order history, account information, or preferences. Step 5. Check your email for confirmation. After submitting your request, check your email for a confirmation message from SHEIN. This email will provide further instructions or a link to download your data once it is ready. By following these steps, you can easily download your data from SHEIN. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to SHEIN customer support for assistance.